Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we've seen Windows 11 getting improvements and changes. We know that there's a lot coming up. We know the contextual menus are getting better. Already in the insider rings, the new contextual menu is actually being tested. Simpler, less of options every time you need to do something. Of course, the taskbar you could move around, and all sorts of new features, including pausing for updates forever, what time you want. There's a lot that is being tweaked and changed in Windows 11, and it begs to maybe answer a question or ask a question actually that Windows 11 has a bad reputation. We all know that, and it's been something that I even asked in a video. Could all the changes and the improvements make you change your mind on what you think about it? And I, for one, think that what Microsoft maybe is missing the boat on Windows 12. And what I mean is that if you're going to use your K2 initiative in improving Windows 11 in all sorts of ways to make it a lot better and change things around, why not ditch Windows 11 branding and bring out a Windows 12 with all those improvements in it? It, I think, would be a wise decision personally, because it would be better in the way that all the things changed. It would actually remove its negativity off of Windows 11. People would say, "Oh, Windows 12, and that's the good one." We all always say, and it's been like that for a long time, that a lot of people had skipped a version. This time around, it's not the case. Windows 11 is enjoying more than 70% market share, although it seems stalled now. And Windows 10 users, a lot of them could move to Windows 11, but just don't want to. And so, how about, fixing everything, making it way better, making it a lot more like users want it to be, and just put Windows 12 branding on it. Let's go to Windows 12. One of the things that a lot of users and a lot of experts are worried is that Microsoft still thinks of Windows 12 as an AI operating system, that's the way it's going to be in the future. Well, we could see that AI isn't picking up in Windows, and that people aren't buying a PC for AI. They aren't buying Copilot plus PC machines. They're just buying a PC. So how about that would be an idea? And I think Microsoft should jump to that idea. That, what, here's, just like Windows 11, it was largely Windows 10 with, a redesigned user interface. Well, now you'll still have Windows 11, but you'll have Windows 11 a little bit like, Windows Vista to Windows 7. Windows 7 was Vista. It's just that it was tweaked and it was, fixed of all the little things that annoyed people, and people loved Windows 7. Well, Windows 12 could be that. It could be Windows 11 fixed, and that people are going to enjoy using it. So that would be a great idea, and I think that could be the real future of Windows right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.